In front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to tap on Sound and Vibration. Now, to mute your device completely, leaving only vibration, hit Vibrate at the top in the middle. If you want to enable vibrations, hit Ring to also hear your melody and tap on one of those options. Ring only to switch off haptic feedback completely, vibrate when ringing, or last but not least, vibrate then ringing. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, scroll down and tap on More Sound Settings at the very bottom. Now click on this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to enable or disable it, and click on this one next to Touch Vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for tap, keyboard and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!